Qigong routine for better resting and sleeping, to let go all worries and our thinking. So you can apply this Qigong just right before you go to bed. It takes about 15 minutes to practice. Sometimes we very busy to want to do this and that, and then even we are wounded, we are painful, we are hurt, and we are suffered, we are stressed, but we don't want to rest. So first healing element is resting. When you rest and you know how to relax, and you give the chance for the body to heal, and the chance for the mind to heal, and to restore energy, right? So today, we have a Qigong routine to do resting. It's very simple to lie down, to stop to do anything. Just allow yourself totally to relax and rest. Okay? When you know how to rest, we know how to relax. And then you can bring your mind back to the body to take care of yourself. And that's why you will be healed very quickly. Okay? You allow yourself to heal. To allow yourself to relax. Stop thinking, okay, mental discourse, and just come back to your breathing and allow yourself to recognize your body is here, recognize you are alive, and then you allow all the cells of the body to rest and to relax, okay? And after you rest and relax, and you sleep better, right? And after you sleep better, you sleep very well, and then the next day you have more energy to work and to do things that you like to do. Okay? We have more clear mind. Relax our face. Relax our head. Relax our shoulders. We put our palms one on the top of another. Okay? To relax and feel comfortable. Back upright and relax. Your shoulders relax and drop a little bit. You feel the rise and the falling of the abdomen. Okay, so massage the two palms and until you feel warm. Okay. And then you can massage your face. Breathing in and breathing out through the nose, and you feel relaxed and natural. Then you can massage your forehead. To use 10 fingers to put on your scalp, your head. Look like you brush your hair, okay? Your head. Brush down. Release all thoughts, worries, okay? No thinking. You don't need to think. Just relax and feel your breathing. Allow your brain to relax. You can put your two hands, two palms on your head, right? And your scalp, like this, and then two thumbs at the end, beside your nape, okay? Beside your nape. And this one is area right here, under your scalp. You press it and release it. Do that 30 times. Inhale, exhale, in, out. Press it and release it. So we can press this point, able to relax our head and sleep well, okay? But also keep your body healthy too. You press and then release it. We do 20 times. You can count until 30 times. That's good. And then use your right palm to massage your neck. Relax your neck and your neck. We can do for 10 times. Then we change to another side. That's good. You can hold in your two palms together in front of you. You use your left palm holding your right palms. And then you breathe in, close your eye and look up. Bend your neck in the back. Breathing out. You move down, forward, and bend your neck front to front, okay? Go down, in, up, out, and down. You may close your eye in. Relax your neck, out. Allow your neck to relax and rest. So you release tensions from your neck and your chest. Breathing in, move up, bend in the back. Breathing out, move down and bend forward. Relax your neck and your hands, your back straight. You can do that for 10 times. Inhale, exhale.